Hello everyone, welcome to F2L Quick Tips Part 6. So in my last video, Part 5, I did some cases in which you have pieces stuck together in the top layer and then you use an empty back slot, but I realized that you can also do similar cases with a full back slot and simply displace the filled slot and then just put it back later in the algorithm, and it still comes out to less moves than doing it a typical way, or some way that you would not displace this pair. So anyways, I'll just get right into it. So this case here is we have basically a pair just with the edge flipped, and we have the cross color facing to the right, and then it's oriented right above the correct slot it's supposed to go in. So as you can see, the back slot is filled, or really all the slots are filled. So what we're going to do is we're going to hide the corner, which also unhides this pair. We're going to move this edge all the way to the back, which does displace this pair, but as you can see, it's going to stay intact the whole time. We're going to do an R2 to pair up these two pieces. We're going to do a U to match this up here to basically insert it, but instead of just going like that, we have to put this back in its proper position. So we're just going to do an R2, a U, and an R, and that fixes everything and is still very quick. So cube notation, that is R prime, U2, R2, U, R2, U prime, nope, that's wrong, U, R. So one more time, R prime, hide the corner, U2 to orient this edge over here and displace this pair, an R2 to pair up this pair, a U to insert it, an R2 to set up this pair for insertion, then a U and an R to finish it off. So mirror of that is going to be L, U2, L2, U prime, L2, U prime, L prime. So once again, it is an L prime to hide the corner, a U2 to put the edge in the back, an L2 to pair up that pair, a U prime to insert the pair we made, and then an L2, U prime, and L to insert the pair in the back. So those are pretty easy, and they are quite fast as well. So now do something a little more difficult. This one was definitely in my last video, but it's just a couple moves different in order to fix this pair once we're done. So how we're going to hold this is we have our corner color is facing up, and then the edge piece that's stuck to it, these two colors match, and they need to be facing you with the slot on the right corner above its slot. So this one's kind of tricky to set up, so I'll show you the mirror, what the mirror looks like. This is the mirror, so it's the exact opposite, if this helps to distinguish the two cases. So anyways, we're going to hide the corner. We're going to put the edge on top of its center color. We're going to unhide the corner, and then now with the edge over here, we're going to put this corner on top of that edge to pair it up, and then we're going to bring this back down, which makes this easier to insert. And also, before we insert the pair we just made, I'm going to reinsert this one we just displaced. So as you can see, we can just reinsert the one we displaced with the U2, and then we can do an R2, a U2, and an R prime to finish it off. So now I have to put that back, and we'll do the cube notation. So it is R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R2, U2, R prime. So once again, it's an R prime to hide the corner, a U prime to put the edge above its center color, an R to unhide the corner and then hide the edge, a U to pair that up, then an R prime and a U2 to put the pair we displaced back where it belongs, and R2, U2, and R prime to insert that pair we just made. So now the mirror. Same thing, but mirrored. R prime, not R prime. That's L to hide the corner, U to orient that edge above its center color, L prime to hide the edge, unhide the corner, a U to pair that up, an L and U2 to put this pair back where it belongs, and L2, U2, L to put it back, or to insert the pair we just made. So one more time, L, U, L prime, U, L, U2, L2, U2, L. Alright, so that's it for this one, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. I know it's kind of illogical to displace a pair in order to solve another pair, but it turns out that these are actually faster than doing it in a normal way. So anyways, I hope this guys helped you out, and thanks for watching.